the exact information, he is no longer within the territory of the Czech Republic.
So he's free.
Can you say he's free?
He is not within the Czech Republic.
So he is
So
free.
he's free.
He is not detained.
He is not detained, so he is free.
Yes. Nag-review ng mga hindi nagalaw. And priority itong red notice na hindi pa bumabalik. Na sa kabila ng ating request noong November, hindi pa nabalik sa atin. No? Hindi pa nabalik, hindi pa ini-issue yung red notice. So pinag-aralan saan yung mga successful na natin na red notice na nabigay. So ginawa natin, di ba? Kasi wala namang formal communication from Interpol Secretariat na ito yung kulang, yung ito kulang.
Walang
So wala eh.
Mhm.
Kailangan kaakibat yung red notice.
Di useless ang cancel passport kung walang red notice.
Pero lumiliit yung iyong pagkakataon na bumiyahe. May difficulty nga lang. Kasi dito sa Schengen area, open border sila.